Yo.
Welcome back to the channel.
What are we doing today?
Today we got my E92 in here. We're going to be doing the charge pipe install. As you can see, I already have a charge pipe with a random blowout valve. Just came with the kit.
Some eBay shit?
Yeah, just some like, I don't know, some knockoff HKS looking thing. So I don't like it that much. So I've had this part for a minute, but it's just really time to switch it out and put it in. So as you can see, we went with the brand towel. So that's gonna look good. You know, it's gonna match the red theme. As you see, I got the dress up bolts, downstar dress up bolts. So it's gonna tie it in slowly but surely. So yeah, it's gonna bring it together. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I took some like tools and stuff from the job home. So I don't know if these gonna work, but you know, I got my boy Diego behind the camera. And so, you know, he's master tech, you know, got all his ASCs and stuff, so, you know, it should work out, you know. I just said, you know, like 8 times.
Charles about to go crazy. He's cooking some shit up. He's gonna take this shit off. What are you gonna do? You gonna take off the clamps first?
Oh no.
What happened?
Hold on. Oh, it's right here, okay. Oh!
Motherfucker.
I thought I forgot the most important socket, bro.
The 10 mil?
The 8.
Oh my god.
I got the 10. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is,
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Jerry.
Omar coming back today, but he gonna.
yeah, we're missing one more, bro.
We gonna see him tomorrow.
Yeah, he's the heart and soul of the channel, bro.
That boy went back.
Yeah, he went back to the L. Nah, he's not from the L. I don't know what they call it out there in New York.
I would say Brooklyn, but he gonna get tight. Yes, sir. Jesus clip. He swears.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, y'all. Where we at?
So we got the charge pipe out. Sensor is still attached. We were able to pry this little thing open, which holds the tab. Pull the sensor out, so there's just down there dangling right now. So the part we're stuck on right at the moment is trying to get these 2 bolts out that takes the sensor out, and as you can see, it goes right into the other one on the other side, and we got this all together already. It's just a clamp that holds it in. This bolt right there comes out, and it's a clamp that merges the towel and the charge pipe. So got that nice and tight down. So now it's just putting the sensor in, putting that clamp on, and trying to relocate right here on the front of the engine. You grab my flashlight, so you can see right here. It's going right there. Hopefully we can use this silicone little piping or whatever that it originally came with, well, the aftermarket one, so that we don't have to use this super long one that the title came with. So
yeah,
that's pretty long. So
yeah,
I don't know. We're gonna see if it works or not. Hopefully it should. But the main thing is trying to get this sensor relocated to the new assembly. So that's where we are right now. I don't know. We'll see.
Alright.
Alright, so my good boy Diego got to working with the Allens, and he was able to get off. Good thing is it came with new ones on the assembly, so that strip one won't even matter anymore. But this is what the sensor looks like. It has a little gasket on there. Just goes straight into the charge pipe, comes straight out. Pretty simple. So I'm just gonna put this on right here. It goes on like that. Take these other bolts out. Boom.
And then the shit should be on, and then
we can just like snake it in there, put the clamp on with this on there, clamp it in from the other side. Boom. And then we should be good to go.
Do a little test down the street.
Down the street. Yeah, I'm saying exactly what you just said. Yeah, then.
It's foreign.
Now the finishing touch. We got the sensor in. right there. So now we just gotta put the little top that goes to the blow-off valve.
All right. Light skin looking at motherfucker. All right, calm down, buddy.
Bro, I can't even get that in. Hey Louis, if you watching this, bro, I finally did a repair without your help, bro. And I miss you though, bro. I love you.
Shout out Louis.
Shout out to Louis, bro, my guy, bro.
Shout out Winston.
This will be in every video. Get the wheel installed. You just gotta get the windsor, bro. You gotta spray the tires down. Get through.
Damn.
Dang, bro, the car's spooked.
Motherfucking. Alright. We got everything installed. We're gonna take it for a test drive to see if anything seems out of the ordinary. So we're gonna go see what is up with this. It's not. So first drive. First thing we already noticed is that it's not that loud.
It's not that loud. And it might be a good thing for like, I don't know. It's not that loud. I kind of miss how loud the other one was. But
We haven't really even
yeah,
got
they
into
got
boost.
yeah.
You can hear a little bit, but that shit.